You've just rolled out POS to 5 stores. It went great. Now you've got 200 more to go. And that's where it starts to fall apart. Here's what happens. The pilot works because everyone's watching. Best staff, vendor on site, brand new hardware, quiet Tuesday morning. Then wave 1 hits.
It's every register, all of them.
And suddenly, you're dealing with legacy terminals, mixed firmware, Saturday queues, and a help desk that's 40 minutes deep. A multi-store POS rollout isn't a copy-paste job. Every store has different network setups, different peripherals, and different staff who've never seen the new system. What separates a clean rollout from a firefight is the stuff nobody wants to overlook. Site assessments, wave planning, regression testing, and hypercare that doesn't disappear after day 1. If your rollout plan is just a spreadsheet with go-live dates, you don't have a plan. You have a schedule, and a schedule without structure is just a list of stores that are about to have a very bad week. If you're planning a POS rollout across your estate, let's talk before wave 1, not after wave 3.